Hello children, welcome to aimstoday online classes. Today from math subject, lines and angles topic we are going to discuss. So let's revise some of the basic terms, children. So in our previous classes, we have learnt about line segment, which is a part of line. So actually what is the meaning of line, children? Which can be extended in two directions without endpoints is called as a line. Which can be extended in both directions without endpoints is called as a line. Here, line segment is a part of line. Suppose here if I take point A and point B, 2 points on the line, which is L, represented by small l. So then this AB part will be considered as a line segment because it is having endpoint A on left hand side, endpoint B on right hand side, which cannot be extended, whose length is fixed. The length of this AB is fixed. So line segment, we will represent it as AB bar, whereas line AB, line with both ends arrow marks, we will represent like this. So line segment is a part of line whose magnitude is fixed, which cannot be extended on any side. So ray means it is also a part of line with one endpoint. Suppose this is endpoint A and we are drawing a ray. We are drawing a ray B in the direction of B. We are drawing a ray which is passing through B and extended beyond B. So this is called as a ray. And the symbol for ray is AB. Upside we have to keep bar with one arrow mark. So for line segment with no arrow mark, only bar we have to keep. So for line with bar with two ends arrow marks we have to keep, which means that it can be extended on both sides. For ray with bar only one arrow at one end, in which direction it will be extended, at that end we have to keep arrow mark. Means ray is a part of line which will be having one end point and can be extended towards another point. That is called as a ray. So next, collinear points. Suppose I am having 3 points, A, B, C, or more points. If I join them, if all of them are in such a way that A, B, C, D, all of them, they are able to lie on the same line. These are all points are parts of same line. So then they are said to be collinear, means lying on the same line. Collinear points. If they are not lying on the same line, like this, so A, B, C, D, like this, they are lying on different lines, so then they are said to be non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. So next, children, angle. So angle means we can form an angle with the help of two rays. So here OA is one ray, OB is one ray. For OA ray, the end point is O and it can be extended in the direction of A, OA bar. This is the OA ray. And OB, the end point of OB is O, which can be extended in the direction of B, OB bar with arrow mark. This OA ray and OB ray, we have two rays with common end point O. So then at the common end point, they will form an angle. So here OA and OB are considered as rays and O is considered as end point, and this one which can be named as AOB, angle AOB. With the help of 3 letters, we can represent one angle, or same can be represented as BOA, where common endpoint always to be at the middle, supported by other 2 points. Or sometimes we can mention it with only one letter, angle O. Sometimes with the Greek letters, alpha, beta, gamma, or small letters, X, Y, Z, like that. So this part, this inclination, so this OA ray is inclined. With how much inclination? It is with the OB. That inclination part will be called as an angle. Or suppose instead of OA, same ray, OA is there. OA is the initial position. We are rotating OA through O. O is fixed and we are rotating OA. This OA went up to B. Means how much part we have rotated. That part will be called as an angle. Next. So measure of an angle. How to measure an angle? So amount of turning or amount of rotation. So from OA to OB is called measure of AOB. Sometimes written as measure of AOB, where M stands for measure of, and this symbol is a symbol of angle, measure of AOB. So angle usually measured in degrees, denoted by small zero. So degrees denoted by, in the power, in the place of exponent, we have to keep small zero. Then suppose 30 is there, 30 degrees, like this, 30 degrees. So this 0 stands for degrees. So in this way we can measure one angle. So if you take a compass, with the help of compass we can measure the angles. So here, so an angle of 360 degrees. So what part is considered as 360 degrees? So if ray OA starting from original position, if this is ray OA, starting from original position, rotates about O. If it is rotating about O in anti-clockwise direction, suppose this is 12, 3, 6, 9. Like this means it is a clockwise direction. If it goes like this, in this direction, then it is anti-clockwise direction. In the anti-clockwise direction, after making one complete rotation around O, it again comes back to A. Original position A. Then we can say that it has done a complete rotation, means at O, one complete angle is formed. OA ray with OA ray, because beginning ray is OA and final ray also OA. The OA ray after complete rotation with same OA ray, it will make an angle of 360 degrees. So here OA ray is rotated around an angle of 360 degrees. So the complete rotation is divided into 360 equal parts. Then each part will be considered as 1 degree. Each part is considered as 1 degree. So next, suppose this 360 degrees, 360 parts. This is OA, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4th part, like that. They have made 360 parts. Each part, suppose this is B, each part is considered as 1 degree. 1 degree. And again, if this is 1 degree, if this is 1 degree, if this 1 degree made into 60 equal parts, if this 1 degree is made into 60 equal parts, if this 1 degree is made into 60 equal parts, so then each part will be considered as a minute. Each part, suppose it is x. Each part is considered as a minute. Each part is considered as a minute. So 1 degree will be having 60 minutes, because 1 degree we are making into 60 equal parts. So each part is 1 minute, so 60 minutes. So 60, in the exponent part we can keep one line which stands for minute, like apostrophe, single quote, 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Again, this suppose this AOX, if it is 1 minute, again if it is made into 60 equal parts, then each part will be considered as a second. So 2 lines, like double quotes. 1 in the power, exponent we have to keep 2 lines like double quotes, then it is called as a second. So 1 degree equal to 60 parts, 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 parts, 60 seconds. So we use a protractor. To measure the angle. Protractor, and we can take the help of compass. By using both, we can measure the angle. So one complete rotation equal to 360 degrees. This 360 degrees divided into equal parts. How many parts? 360 parts. 360 parts. Then it will be known as 1 degree. So 1 degree, again 60 parts, which is known as 60 minutes, and again 1 minute is divided into 60 parts, known as 60 seconds. So 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So seconds are smaller than minutes. Minutes are smaller than degrees. Next, we have some types of angles. So, first one is right angle. If the angle between the two rays, if it is equal to 90 degrees, then that angle is called as a right angle. Remember children, angle is always formed between two rays. If the angle formed between two rays is 90 degrees, then it is termed as a right angle. So whereas if the angle is less than 90 degrees, if it is equal to 90 degrees, then it is called right angle. If it is less than 90 degrees, so then it is called as acute angle. Acute. A-C-U-T-E. Acute means small angle compared to right angle. So acute angle. So next, if it is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, so then it is named as obtuse angle. O-B-T-U-S-E. Obtuse angle. Bigger than right angle. Then it is known as obtuse angle. If it is equal to 180 degrees, means it's a combination of it's a combination of two right angles. So here one right angle, suppose this is one line. So right side one right angle, left side one right angle, complete angle on a straight line. Complete angle on a straight line. Complete angle on a straight line at any point on the straight line. If you take one point here, what is the, if you take one point here, suppose if it is S, so AS is one ray, BS is one ray. What is the angle formed at S? Because of AS ray and BS ray, because this angle is lying on the straight line, so which is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees angle will be always formed on a straight line. So that's why it is called straight angle. So that's why it is called straight angle. Next, if it is greater than 180 degrees, if it is greater than 180 degrees, so then it is called reflex angle. So up to here 180, up to here this part is 180. Means straight angle, this line is bending downside. So then if this angle bends down, so then this total angle up to here 180, this total angle will be more than 180, which is called as a reflex angle. Or one complete rotation we have taken, then it will be equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees means it will be at a midpoint of a circle, which is known as complete angle, which is also one kind of reflex angle, because greater than 180 is equal to reflex complete angle. So that's why one kind of reflex angle it is. So complete angle in a circle at the center point is known as complete angle. So like this, children, we have so many types of angles. So already you have learned about all these angles in your earlier classes. It is just we are revising the basics. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Next, so any angle, suppose we have any angle, we can draw a bisector for that angle. Bisector for that angle. Suppose this A, O, B, OA ray, OB ray, common endpoint O, and this is angle AOB. Angle AOB. So a ray OC is called bisector of AOB if it divides into two equal parts. If we draw a ray here, OC ray, if it divides this part into equal parts, suppose total part is 60 degrees. So then this part is 30 degrees, this part is 30 degrees. Means measure of AOC equal to measure of BOC. Like that, measure of AOC equal to measure of BOC. AOC, this part is equal to BOC, this part. If it divides the angle at common endpoint into two equal parts, so then that ray is called as bisector of that angle. So each part, AOC or BOC, each part will be equal to half of the total part. Half of the total part. Okay. Next one, we have complementary angles. Complementary angles. We have complementary angles. Suppose complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. Sum equal to 90 degrees. So if you take angles 20 and 70, so what is the value of 20 plus 70? 90 degrees. The sum of two angles equal to 90 degrees. So this 20 and 70 are called complementary angles. If you take individually, only 20 is not complementary angle. It's only acute angle because less than 90 degrees. If you take 70, only 70 acute angle. But whereas if you compare both, what type of angles are 20 and 70, then you can tell they are complementary. Why? Means that sum is equal to 90 degrees, or they are complement to each other. They are complement to each other. They are complement to each other. Or we can take 30-60. We can take 30-60. 30-60 degrees are complementary angles, or 45, 45, or 40, 50. Like that, any combination we can take whose sum is equal to 90 degrees. So they are complementary angles. Next, supplementary angles. If their sum is equal to 180 degrees, then they are called supplementary. Like 60 degrees, 120 degrees, whose sum is equal to 180 degrees. So then they are called supplement to each other, supplement of each other. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is equal to 180 degrees. One angle we cannot tell supplementary. If we take only one angle, it is acute angle, less than 90. If we take only 1 to 120, it is a obtuse angle, greater than 90, less than 180. But two angles, if we take, means we can tell whether they are supplementary or complementary. Like that we can compare. Okay, children. Now let's see some example problems based on the concepts. So find the measure of an angle which is 20 degrees more than its complement. So we have to find one angle which is 20 degrees more than its complement. So let the required angle be x degrees. So then its complement how much? Complement means both sum is equal to 90 degrees. If one is x, other is 90 minus x. If the out of two complementary angles, if one is x degrees, its complement will be 90 minus x degrees. So now what is the difference? Difference is 20 degrees. So x minus, because one angle is 20 more than its complement, indirectly it means that their difference is 20 degrees. So x minus 90 minus x equal to 20. So x minus 90 minus into minus plus. So 2x minus 90, or 90 will come this side. 90 will come this side, it will become plus 90. So 2x minus 90 equal to 20. 2x equal to 90 will go that side. 20 plus 90. 2x equal to 20 plus 90, 110. 20 plus 90, 110. X equal to 110 by 20, 110 by 2. So which is equal to 55 degrees. Which is equal to 55 degrees. So the required angle is 55. Because required angle, we assumed it as x. X value is 55. So required angle is 55. Next one. So find the measure of angle which is 40 degrees less than its supplement. 40 degrees less than its supplement. So let the required angle be x degrees, children. So they are telling they are supplement. Out of supplement, if one is x degrees, then its supplement will be 180 minus x. 180 minus x. They are telling the measure of angle is 40 degrees less than its supplement. So supplement angle is bigger, required angle is smaller. Their difference is 40. So bigger angle minus smaller angle equal to 40 minus x minus x. So 180 minus x minus x, 2x equal to 40. So that is equal to, so minus 2x will come this side, 4x will go, 40 will go that side. So 180 minus 40 equal to 2x. 180 minus 40 means 140 equal to 2x, or 2x equal to 140, or x equal to 140, 2 will come down by 2, 270 z. So x value is 70 degrees. X value is 70 degrees. Next one. So find the measure of an angle if 6 times its complement is 12 degrees less than twice its supplement. So find the measure of an angle if 6 times its complement is 12 degrees less than twice its supplement. So let the measure of angle be x degrees. then its complement will be 90 minus x degrees. Supplement will be 180 minus x degrees. Now what they are telling, what they have given in the question, if 6 times its complement is 12 degrees. So 6 times its complement is 12 degrees less than twice its supplement. So 6 times its complement, 60 into 90 minus x, 12 less than twice its supplement, twice means 2 times. 2 times its supplement means 180 minus x, 2 into 180 minus x. So 6 times its complement is 12 less than 2 times its supplement. So 6 times complement, 2 times supplement, 12 less than they have given, so minus 12. 12 less than they have given, minus 12. So 6 into 90, 540, 6 into x, 6x, 2 into 180, 360, 2 into minus x, minus 2x, minus 12. So this, if we take all numbers here, minus 2x will go this side, or 6x will come this side. Right side we have 540, 360 will go that side, minus 360, plus minus 12 will go that side, plus 12 equal to minus 6x will come this side, plus 6x. Here we have minus 2x. 540 minus 360, 180. How much? So 180 plus 12, 192 equal to 6x minus 2x, 4x. Or 4x equal to 192. X equal to 192 by 4, which is equal to 48 degrees. Which is equal to 48 degrees. Next one. So convert 180 degrees in degrees, minutes, seconds. So actually in 180 degrees, we have only degrees, but we need same value in terms of degrees, minutes, seconds. Degrees, minutes, seconds. So suppose 180 degrees, we can write it as 179 degrees plus 1 degree. And 179 degrees, 1 degree we can write it as 59 minutes plus 60 seconds. Or 1 degree we can write it as 59 minutes plus 1 minute. So 179 degrees plus 59 minutes plus this 1 minute, we can write it as 60 seconds. So now if we write like this, 179 degrees, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. So then this will be equal to 180 degrees. This will be equal to 180 degrees. Same value, but we have written in terms of degrees, minutes, seconds. Next, find the measure of supplement of an angle 87 degrees, 28 minutes, 43 seconds. 87 degrees, 28 minutes, 43 seconds. So we can write 180 degrees as 179 degrees, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. So the supplement of this angle is 180 degrees minus this. 180 degrees minus this. But 180 degrees can be written as 179 degrees, 59 minutes, 60 seconds minus this. So from same component we will minus 179 minus 87, 92 degrees, 59 minutes minus 28 minutes, 31 minutes, 60 minutes minus 43 minutes, 17 minutes. So this is the complement of So this is the supplement of given angle. So we can convert 180 like this, and with the help of this we can subtract this. Okay, children. That's all for today, children. Still so many problems are there. We will discuss them in continuation next video. So thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. So you can visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in, for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding classes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.